Okay, hi guys. I finally got the last two diamond painting canvases from China from through AliExpress. Finally, it took forever for them to get here. This one's been here a couple of weeks, maybe 3 weeks, but I waited to open it because I wanted to do one video rather than, have another one. So I waited and I waited and I waited. So finally, this one got here yesterday. These are both from Huacan. Um, one is the other Galaxy one that goes with the others that I have already. It took 7 weeks for it to get here. Jeez. It's a square drill and 16 by 20, and that's what's in this small box. And it cost $10.76. It was on the sale, the big sale. This one is an autumn one. It took 7 weeks for it to get here. It was $18.29 on the sale, and it's also a square drill. So let's go ahead and open these up. I'm going to do the squished one first because it's bigger. And it arrived very squished. I took it out of the plastic envelope baggy thing that it was in. But you can see it's a good sized box, and everything was like hanging out. Let me see if I can get some cooperation here. This was halfway out of the bag. Right, there's the canvas, and there's the bead kit. Okay, now I'm going to get rid of this poor squished box. That out of the way. Alright, and I'm not going to do the inventory, but usually the beads are, kind of a level of flatness, but this one has been through the mill, so they're kind of crunched over to one side, and this is kind of dinged up, so yeah. Hopefully everything's in there, so I'll do the inventory on that later. Sorry about the crunchy plastic. And the standard kit with some of the good Huacan tweezers, which that's a good thing. I'm very happy about that. Very few of those. Sometimes you get the cheaper ones and they don't really work very well. Okay, so here's the canvas. Let me see if I can get it out of here. Get rid of all this crunchy plastic. Ooh, jeez. Okay, and I know I have tape. Alright, so I'm going to undo the tape over here first because I'm not sure where. There it is. That's where it starts. Okay, so I'm going to undo it in two places. Okay, so you can see the canvas picture here. Okay, and here is the color list. There's the number 4739. It's a 60 by 45 centimeter, which is I think 18 by 20. I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, so I'm unrolling it, and it has the foamy thing inside, but it is really tight because it's been in there so long. So here's the one piece thingy, and I discovered the other day there's a hole in the middle of all of these foamy things, and I didn't realize that. That means I can use these for other things. Yeah. Okay, let's see if I can flatten this canvas out so we can take a good look at it. It's already sliced. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices, and I will attempt to measure this as soon as I can get it straightened out a bit. But it is also cold here now since it is January 1st. So things are going to be a little more difficult to undo. Alright, so I'm going to peel it. I know you can't see it on camera because it's rather large canvas. Oh, it looks really clear. That looks really good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and smooth that down. And I'm going to keep going and doing all the strips. I know you guys can't really see, but I can't really help it right now. Okay, so I've got, yeah, there's a little bubbling in the adhesive right there. There's like the big bubble, so I'm going to have to like slice it and smooth it down. Which I'm not going to do right this moment because it's starting to curl up on this other end. Hello, you guys, stay over there. Okay, there's another bubble. Yeah, this was really badly crushed. I don't blame it. It was out there for 7 weeks. So, you know. But I'm sure it's going to be just fine to work. And then on this side, and then I should be able to smooth out the other side with no problem. The thing about these things, they never go down as smooth as they come up. Okay, since I started with that one, I'm going to go ahead and start with this one so it ends up on the same level. Sometimes they overlap a little bit. Okay, I don't see any bubbling over here, so that's good. And already it's starting to behave a little bit. So that's good. Let me get that part up. Come on. There we go. Gotcha. Have to be careful. Oh, sorry about the idiot neighbors. Somebody's being impatient. I mean, it's 10:30 at night. Should they really be honking horns? No. Yeah, this is, yeah. Oh, it looks real clear. It looks really good. 2 bubbles so far. There may be another one over here. It's pretty wrinkled. Okay. Just about got it. Then I'm going to hang it up and let it acclimate and everything, and it'll be just fine. Yeah, there's a bubble right there. I figured there was because the backing paper is really, I don't know if that'll help. I may have to slice it. No, it went down. Okay. And the same may be true of the other over there, the other corner. There's 2 spots over there, but no big deal. Looks good. Yeah. Okay, let me show you guys. This is a lot of oranges, but it's going to be gorgeous. Yeah, see how clear it is? It looks great. I'm always pretty happy with Pelican. And they've got great customer service. Like the tracking had stopped on this, and I had her check on it, and she bumped it, I guess, when she checked on it, and it started tracking again. So that was cool. Okay, so there is the autumn one. And like I said, I think it's 18 by 24. Let me get my measuring thingamajiggy. I'll grab this metal one real quick. So 23 and 17 and a half. Yeah, so approximately 18 by 24. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Now let's get the other one up here. Set this one in my chair. Okay, now we've got the small one here. Let me see. This end is open. This one. And I backed up the camera. Oh, good. Another pair of the lovely tweezers. They're really pointy. Love those. Okay, there we go. That one's empty. And this one is the 16 by 20. Lovely colors. Got those square drills. Make sure the number is on there. Yes, it is. Okay, good. Yeah, they have little labels on here. So that's good. All right, plastic. Noisy. Just a bit. Crunchy plastic. Okay, let me get the tape. So ignore that one and get this one. Okay. There we are. Now this one has been rolled up too, so here's the picture. Here's the galaxy one. This one has a planet in it. And there's the lovely list of all the colors. This one has 35 colors. And let's see if I can get it on the edge of the counter and unroll it. I will put something heavy over there on that side. Here it comes. Oh, two pieces. Two pieces. These will make good rollers. Yeah, these will make good rollers. Okay. Good paint rollers. All right, now let me see if I can figure out something. Maybe my watercolor paint containers can hold that down while I attempt to straighten this out. Oh, that one's got a big bubble right there. I hope that's not... Ooh, there's a whole bunch of them. Okay, hopefully that'll be okay. Ooh, that's a lot of black. Well, it is Galaxy. I have to expect it. Canvas looks good. You have to expect it. Oh, let me grab the Scotch tape off of there. And get back out of the way. All right, get this to flatten. There we go. That one's an indentation rather than a bubble. That's going to be interesting. I may have to slice and add some adhesive to that one because the adhesive went right over that little divot. And there's not enough adhesive to go across it. Aha. All right, let me move these now. I've got it under control. Okay, let's see what these bubbles say here and here and here. Oh man, yeah, that doesn't look good. Let's see what happened. May have to do a little slicing. Slicing and dicing. My hands are cold, that's why I have these mitts on. Ooh, okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, I might just be able to flatten. Let's see how that worked. Yeah, it went down. Well, we'll see when I'm actually working it. We'll see what happens. Really hard to tell what it's going to do until you're actually there. Come on. No ripping. No ripping. Be nice now. Be nice. Yeah, that's not too good. Okay, I'm going to peel it past the point. All right. And yeah, that doesn't really look good. It bubbled pretty badly right there. Let's see if I can smooth it out. Rub it down a bit. Yeah, I may have to slice it. But like I said, I won't going to worry about it until I actually get there. It may be perfectly fine. Yeah, it's more bubbling here, but that didn't really do anything. There's a little bubble left from that one. I can push it down. Yeah, I think that's going to be fine. Okay, and one more strip here. Yeah, that one is fine. It didn't do anything. Okay, good. Just the paper was wrinkled. So we're good. Yeah. We are good. All right. Good deal. And like I said, I'll inventory off camera. And I think I have one more thing coming from AliExpress. The long moon one had 12 packets missing, like half of a color was missing. And so they've shipped it, so I'm waiting for that. And then I think that's all from AliExpress for the time being. I've got like a couple dozen of these things to do, so it's going to keep me busy for a while. Get rid of that excess Scotch tape. Okay, and there's all the drills for that. Good deal. Okay. All right. Documented and ready to go. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it. I hope to do a review of finished items pretty soon. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching and happy diamond painting. I can get the thing to shut off. Hello.